Hello everyone, this is NIMESH KULAWANSA from the 2017 Advanced Level batch of LISW International School Vattala, and I've been since 2015 in Sir Nalin's class, physics class. Actually, Sir started classes 1 week after O levels, that was before school. The first thing that I noticed when I came to this class was it's not simply like other tuition classes, or it was not simply like other institutions where only we get the subject matter. It was a place where subject matter was mixed with life challenges, it was mixed with future plans. Sir showed us our strengths, Sir showed us our weaknesses. Sir actually made sure that we improve on our strengths day by day. Unlike other teachers, Sir had a unique teaching style which was loved by everyone. And speaking specifically about Sir's teaching style, I have never seen such effective and talented teaching style, since you need to only pay attention once. If you pay attention very well to what Sir tells you, you definitely understand it. The only thing that makes Sir's teaching much better than what anybody else would have taught you is his teaching style and the way in which he controls the class. The environment of the class is always helpful, friendly in order for you to learn. Sir always made sure that each one of us received attention. Sir always made sure that whenever we have our doubts, they get clarified to the maximum level. Sir used to explain many times the same thing over and over and over again. There were many questions, Sir answered all of them. So such an individual is very hard to find, and once you find, it's very pleasant to stay with them. One thing that I need to say is the way in which Sir explained and the way in which Sir gave us the subject matter. He also made sure that we were always kind of above the scope of the syllabus, because even at campus here, the first year uh, we have electronics details and electronic systems, power electronics, and so on and so forth. And let me tell you, 50% of that is what Sir gave us as additional information during our class lessons. So it was extremely easy for me to catch up with what the professors say, and it was extremely pleasant, when you get reminded of how Sir taught you at the time, how well Sir taught you, and still, although time has passed, a long time has passed, how those things still remain in your memory. So guys, one thing that I need to tell you is while staying in class, make sure that you have maximum possible attention. Whenever you have questions, make sure that before you ask Sir, you try to solve them by yourself, because Sir always gives the platform for you to build. So use that platform that Sir lays in order to answer your questions. And if you still cannot find an answer, you may ask Sir as to how it happens. And also, what I need to say is, Sir, I might be the student who has troubled Sir so much, because day by day I was asking that software and this software and hundreds many softwares from Sir, simply because even that Sir's computer, he had he has all the engineering softwares and engineering details. So basically we were interested in that, and especially me, I used to go behind Sir day by day asking, sir, can I have that? If possible, can I have this? So I might be the student, and day after day I used to call sir and remind, sir, can you bring that? Sir, can you bring this? uh, do we have class today? Do we have class tomorrow? uh, Sometimes I used to call sir 3 o'clock in the mid of the night, and sir used to answer the phone, but somehow the other sir used to answer all my questions. So I'm sorry if I would have troubles like that. But on the other hand, he was this exceptional teacher who always provided us the pathway in order to enhance our skills, in order for us to be what we are in the future. So everybody, what I need to tell you is, make sure that you get the maximum out of this class, because I'm definitely sure by your experience, you will never have come across a class like this. So get the things done, and good luck for the current advanced level, my fellow brothers and sisters, for the upcoming years as well. And make sure you get things done and pay attention to the class details very well. I'm sure you'll get what you want finally. Thank you.